is Nikki Golly with Fuel Your Body again, coming to you live for our video series. And this time I want to talk about some things that you can grow in your garden, if it's a tower garden or an outside in the ground garden, either way. But onions and lettuce actually have quercetin. I talked about quercetin in the last newsletter in a nettle quercetin supplement, but quercetin is also found in a lot of foods. It's also found in legumes, garlic, as well as citrus fruit and apples. You can't, unless you have a tree, you can't grow them on a tower garden, but those also have really good benefits to have that quercetin, which helps with the immune system to help fight those allergies, as well as bromelain is found in pineapples. Not one that I can grow myself, but if you can live in a gorgeous tropical climate, or you can just get it at the store. Either way, it still helps to eat it. So those are really good for allergies that's in foods that you can either grow yourself or you can buy at the store and have fun easing your way through allergy season. And if you missed last week, go back and check. I also have the blog, which I will post below, and that'll give you some other tips as far as what you can do for allergy season, because if you're an allergy sufferer, you understand. I used to be one of you, and I am so very grateful that I've learned what I can do to balance myself out and not have the allergy season that I used to as a child. So either way, I hope you have an amazing week. Thank you for watching, and keep growing.